Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can prepare your fraction strips for what we're doing next week. Okay, so the fraction strips, we need 3 of them. Okay, so I'm going to pull out 3 of them, and I need to break these ones into thirds. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to fold. I'm going to fold it so that you can see that all the pieces are the same size. So it's just folded in thirds, okay? And when you open it back up, there's going to be one piece here. I'm just going to draw a line and then open this one up here, and I'm going to draw a line on where that crease is as well. Okay, so you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 pieces. All right. Same thing with this one. We're going to fold it into thirds so that it looks like all the sides are the same length. I'm going to crease it, open it back up, and you can see where the line folds are. And you're just going to draw a line on where those folds are, where those creases are. And then one more. So we're going to need 3 of them to be in thirds pieces. And if you're struggling with this part, we can go over it in class again as well. And open it back up. Draw lines. Okay, so those are your 3 pieces that are in thirds. And set those to the side. We're going to grab 3 more strips. These ones are a little bit easier. These are going to be fourths. So they need to be in 4 pieces. So all we have to do is take this, fold it exactly in half, and crease it. And then fold that exactly in half again, and crease it. And then we're going to open it up. And we're just going to draw lines on where those folds are. So it should look like that and be in 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that again. And remember, you can pause the video if you need more time for folding. Fold it in half and crease. Fold it in half again and crease. Open it up. And draw lines where the folds are. Last one. Fold in half. Fold it in half again. Open it up and draw your lines. So we have 3 of those pieces that are in 4s. I'm going to set those to the side. I'm going to pull out 2 more strips. These are going to be in 5ths. So this is a little bit harder. Okay. So for this one, you're going to fold it over, but you're not going to go quite all the way to the end. Okay. You're going to leave some space there and fold. And then you're going to take that fold and put it right to the edge of the last piece and fold that again. And then we're just going to take this little piece that's hanging out here and fold that right over. Okay. And then we can open it up. And draw lines on where our creases are. It may not be perfect. If you want to make it exact, you can get out a ruler and measure it, but I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you. Okay, so that'll be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to fold it, but not go all the way to the end. Okay, you can see I don't go all the way to the end. I leave a piece hanging out here. Crease it, then take that, fold, and fold it over to the same piece where we ended before, and fold it, and then fold that last piece over. and open it up. And I'm just going to draw where my folds are. And that one's in 5 pieces as well. Okay, I'm going to take those and put them to the side. All right, this one is 7 pieces. So it's a little bit harder to fold without measuring. So what I'm going to do is kind of make an accordion. So I'm just going to take about what looks like an inch and fold it, and then fold my paper back the other way. Okay, and so then we open that back up and we draw our lines right on the folds. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Okay, so we're going to have 9 strips all together, one of them in 7 pieces. You're going to have 2 that are in 5 pieces. You're going to have 3 that are in 4 pieces. And you're going to have 3 that are in 3 pieces. And then we'll work with these throughout the week next week, making them into our fraction strips we'll use for class.